Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Market. So friend, in this video we will do detailed analysis of DOMS mainboard IPO. Here we will check company details, financial profile, IPO details, latest GMP, and in last we will share our opinion whether we should apply or not. So company incorporated in 2006 and it manufacture wide range of stationery products like pencil, marker, highlighter, rubber, mathematical instruments like different types of scales and rounder, fine arts material like brush and paper stationery like notebook, drawing book, etc. Company has 30% market share in pencil and mathematical instrument each in fiscal year 2023, and wooden pencil contribute to 31% in the revenue. Company exports its product to 40 countries, but still it contributes just 20% in revenue and 80% revenue comes from India. Let's check financial profile of the company from FY21 to FY23. As you can see, asset is kept on increasing year on year. Revenue also increased to 116 crore from 408 crore. Approx 3% growth can be seen from FY21 to FY23. Profit was negative in FY21, but somehow company is able to make profit of 102 crore in FY23. Net worth and reserve and surplus is increasing continuously, but borrowing also increased to 176 crore in FY23. Coming towards IPO details, so this IPO is going to be live on 13th of December and then closes on 15th of December. Basis of allotment will occur on 18th of December and going to list on action on 20th of December. And one lot in data category will block your 14,220 rupees. Company wanted to raise 1200 crore via this IPO, in which fresh issue is at 350 crore and offer for sale is at 850 crore. Fund raised through this IPO will be utilized to set up manufacturing plant in Umbergaon, Gujarat. Company promoter holding is 100%. Post holding will be reduced to 75%. Link in time is the register of this IPO. And talking about the latest GMP, so currently it is trading at 61% in game market premium. So as per these premiums, we can expect 8,000 listing gains. Talking about the negative points, so friends, profit margin is below 10%. Even company having their own manufacturing plant. Sector is evergreen, but high competition can be seen from unlisted and listed peer like Camlin, Navneet, Flare Lighting, Cello World, etc. As company having high debt, but still funds raised through IPO will not be used to reduce the debt. Company coming with quite high valuation with price to earning ratio of 46 except Camlin. Talking about our suggestion, so wait for anchor list to comes and apply on last day after seeing subscription figure, as another mainboard IPO, India Shelter Furniture, will also be live in the market. Friends, apart from this, we always try to give you update as soon as possible on allotment status, latest JP. So kindly show us your support by subscribing to our channel Market, and also like and share this video with your friends and family members.